everyone! Are you having trouble with Blender crashing on your Windows 11 PC? It can be incredibly frustrating when your creative work suddenly disappears without saving. Today, we're going to dive into some common reasons why Blender might be crashing and, more importantly, how you can fix them. We'll go through simple, step-by-step solutions to help you get back to designing and rendering without constant interruptions. Let's start with the basics. First, one of the most common culprits is outdated graphics drivers. Your graphics card is crucial for Blender's performance, and old drivers can lead to instability. To fix this, visit your graphics card manufacturer's website, that's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the very latest drivers for your specific card model. Installing these new drivers often resolves a significant number of crashing issues. Next, ensure Blender itself is up to date. The developers frequently release updates that include bug fixes and performance improvements. Always check the official Blender website, blender.org, for the newest stable version. Downloading and installing the latest Blender build can sometimes be the simplest solution. Another important point is checking your system requirements. Blender can be quite demanding, especially with complex scenes or high-resolution renders. Make sure your computer meets Blender's recommended specifications for RAM, processor, and GPU. If your system is low on resources, it might struggle and crash. Consider upgrading your hardware if your current setup is significantly below the recommendations. Now, let's look at Blender's internal preferences. Sometimes, specific settings can cause problems. Open Blender, go to Edit, then Preferences. Under the System tab, if you're using cycles, try changing your cycles render devices from GPU compute to CPU if you suspect your graphics card is struggling. Also, in the Viewport section, temporarily reduce settings like subdivision quality or disable ambient occlusion to see if stability improves. These changes can reduce the load on your system. If problems persist, you might need to reset Blender to its factory settings. Go to File, then Defaults, and select Load Factory Settings. Be aware that this will remove any custom settings, themes, or installed add-ons. Test Blender after this reset. If it stops crashing, then one of your custom configurations or an add-on was likely the cause. Speaking of add-ons, they can sometimes conflict with Blender or other add-ons, leading to crashes. Go to Edit, Preferences, and then Add-ons. Try disabling any recently installed or less used add-ons one by one. Restart Blender after disabling each to isolate the problematic one. Finally, monitor your computer's temperature. Overheating CPU or GPU components can cause your system to become unstable and lead to crashes. Use monitoring software to check temperatures during Blender use. Ensure your computer's fans and vents are clean and unobstructed to allow for proper airflow. So there you have it, several effective ways to fix Blender crashing on Windows 11. I hope these tips help you get back to creating amazing 3D art without any frustrating interruptions. If this video helped you solve your problem, please give it a thumbs up to let us know. Leave a comment below if you have any other solutions or questions, and feel free to share this video with anyone else who might be struggling with Blender crashes. And if you want more helpful tutorials and tech tips, please consider subscribing to the channel. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.